I thought of doing some unboxing videos for you guys to watch. Now, as you all know, I've been in Muscat, Oman for about 28 years of my life now, and I've been interested in technology. There's a product called Anker, which I've been fascinated about because of its good quality products. The wires are good, the chargers are pretty good, and I've been using it for over three and a half years now. Now, Anker as a product was not available in Oman for the last couple of years, and one of the first devices from Anker I had purchased from aliexpress.com, which comes from China. So I had got these devices from China at very good rates, very good quality products, and I had shipped them from China to Muscat. It took about 10 to 15 days for the devices to come to me, but the devices are very good. I'm still using many of the Anker devices which I had bought from about 3.5 years back, even today, and they are working in perfect condition. Lately, we've been getting Anker devices in Muscat. Now, it's been about a year and a half that we've been getting these Anker devices here, but there was not much traction in the market. So the designs or the devices which were available in Muscat were very few. But now they have many models inside Muscat, and I think there is some sort of a new distributor which has taken Anker product distribution within the region, and that's how we end up getting these devices in the market at the moment. So I got myself a new charging device from Lulu hypermarket in Al Khair, and this device basically has 4 charging ports, and let's do an unboxing for that particular device. So this is the unit, the Anker interchangeable EU and UK plugs. Now, as you can see, this is the product, and this has 2 interchangeable plugs because sometimes you need the EU plugs and sometimes you need the UK plugs. So basically it's the 3-port plugs which has the earth wire as well, and sometimes you just need the 2-pin socket. You can use it in these 2 regions, the European plugs and the UK based plugs interchangeably. In Oman, we are using the 3 ports, the live, neutral and the earth ones, the ones which is on the box over here. That's what we are using in Oman. So this is the PowerPort 4 Lite. You can change the plugs which you want and you can start using it. This is known as the PowerPort 4 Lite, as you can see on the box. And this particular device cost me around 8.8 riyals, I think, under 9 riyals. And I think it's a pretty good device. It says Alam Al Tawassul Electronics is the authorized distributor on the hologram over here. So I think they have some kind of a distributor model in the Middle East to distribute these devices in today's time from Anker. So let's look into this device. Now this has 4 ports. These are 4 USB type A ports, the normal USB type A ports which we used to get in the normal regular phones. If you would remember, I had done a video on the iPhone chargers, iPhone plugs which are coming up with the iPhone 12, the new iPhone 12 phones. Now if you remember, iPhone is no longer shipping the charging adapters with the phones. They are only giving the wires. Now the wires which they are giving, these are USB type C to Lightning. Now you would need a USB type C charger, or you would need a USB type C adapter in order to charge your new iPhone 12 devices. Now if you buy this kind of Anker device for charging, you would need the traditional USB type A to Lightning cables to charge your devices. For me, most of my cables are USB type A to type C or USB type A to a Lightning cable, and that's the reason I've selected this device. Now, is it future proof? I don't know. It might not be future proof because many of the devices are changing towards the USB type C model. Now both the sides to USB type C, or one side as type C and the other side as Lightning if you're an Apple device user. But I don't buy phones every now and then. For me, one phone lasts around 3 to 4 years, and the current phone which I'm using is an S10 Plus, and if I upgrade I might go towards an iPhone, and at that time I might face the problem of finding a USB type C adapter, but I might as well just buy a USB type A to a lightning cable, or use one of my existing USB type A to lightning cables and plug it in this particular device to charge the new iPhone 12 if I would go with that model in the future. I don't know, I've not decided. So subscribe to my channel to see which phone I'm going to buy in the future. So that's about the device, that's about the box and the features of it. So this is the PowerPort 4 Lite. Let's unbox this. So this is the device which I was talking about, the Anker interchangeable EU and UK plugs. It's known as the PowerPort 4 Lite. It has a high-speed 27-watt charger with 4 USB-A Power IQ ports. It is a high-speed 27-watt charging device which can be used to charge your devices, and it will work pretty well. As you can see on the side, it has some other specifications mentioned, the 27 watts of USB type A charger and the other specifics. Now on the back, as you can see, you have the details of what Anker is. You get an 18-month warranty, but I've not taken that from Lulu, from where I bought it. I think we need to give the receipt and get a warranty for that. I'm not sure if we will get it, but it says it has an 18-month warranty as well. It has some of the specifications like 4-port delivers 27 watts of power, universal compatibility with phones and tablets, and also ensures total protection for your devices. Now that's pretty standard of any device or brand to write about it. So let's unbox this device and see how it looks in reality. I think it has a pretty decent unboxing experience. There's a tab here which you can just pull to unbox the device. You don't need any blades to unbox this particular device. Just pull the tab, and I think that opens up here, and I think we can slide it off from here, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, I think we need to open it from here itself. Yep. And that's the box opening up. And I think there's another flap inside, but I think it opens up this way. So that's the Anker PowerPort 4 Lite opening up. Here you have some paperwork. Avoid dropping, a welcome guide. And as you can see, it has the interchangeable plugs. You have the EU and the UK plugs in it. You can swap it as well if you want to use either of the 2 ports. Let's put the paperwork aside, and let's open this thing up. Pretty smooth to open. Let's keep it aside. And that's the device. That's the Anker PowerPort 4 Lite. That's here, and I think that's the push button wherein you can push and you can swap the plugs over here, the adapters here which are there, the 2 adapters which are there. And these are the 4 ports. These are the 4 charging ports which you can use, and these are the high-speed charging ports on this particular device. It says Anker on one side and it says nothing on the other, and it has the other specifications at the bottom of the charging adapter. Nothing on the top. Let's remove the plastic. I think it comes out from here. Yeah, it comes out from here. There's a little bit of puzzle, but yeah, it's coming out now. And yeah, that opens up here. Let's put the plastic aside, and let's fix it with this adapter here, because this is what we use in Oman and in the Middle East. So we just need to align it properly and just slide it, and until we hear the click, we need to slide it in. Yeah, that's the click, so it's locked. Now we can simply plug this into one of the power supplies on your wall, plug it in with the type A to USB type C or lightning cables, and then you can straight away get to charging your devices. As I said, these are not type C chargers, these are type A chargers. These are the traditional models which were available, and as I have all my devices with type A cables, that's the reason I've bought this for myself. If you want to swap this to the other plug, you can simply push this thing here, push it a little firmly, and then you just remove it, keep it aside, and you can slide it back. You can slide the other one back into the charging brick and just click it, and it holds it into place. Now this is not what we use in Oman, so I'm just going to put it back. It's here. We'll put it back to the version which we use in Oman, and we just click it into place. So that's the quick unboxing for the PowerPort 4 Lite from Anker. This device is pretty good based on my experience with the other Anker products. So if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. As always, take care, stay safe, and have a nice one. Thank you. Bye.